Beef cutlets recipe. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 2 sweet taters, or regular taters, steamed and peeled, 1 cup red onion, chopped fine, 1 to 2 serrano, all kinds of peppers, minced, more if you want it hot, handful chopped cilantro, 1 ginger root, minced, 4 medium cloves of garlic clove, minced, 1/2 teaspoon homemade meat masala, 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder or Cayenne, 1/4 turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground pepper, 1 egg, whisked, almond meal, fine ocean salt to taste, 1 cup water, grass-fed organic ghee plenty to shallow fry the cutlets. Instructions: boil the sweet taters. Peel and mash them, after which keep aside. Inside a pan, stir-fry the floor beef with turmeric, meat masala, Kashmiri chili powder, or Cayenne, freshly ground pepper, and salt. Add water and prepare on medium heat for 10 minutes. If there's any remaining water, prepare on low heat until everything evaporates. When meat is awesome, place it inside a mixer or quick fix to mince the meat. Heat a few tablespoons of oil or ghee inside a pan and add some onion and serrano, all kinds of peppers. Following a few minutes, add ginger root and garlic clove. Stir before the onion turns brown. Add chopped cilantro leaves. Add some minced beef towards the onion mixture and stir it all together. Adding the mashed sweet taters towards the beef, stir and allow the mixture awesome lower. Roll the mix into flat little oblong-formed patties. Place the patties in the fridge overnight, or not less than a couple of hours, to assist them to retain their shape. Dip the patties into the egg, after which lightly put into the almond meal. Shallow fry the cutlets inside a sure-fire skillet until golden. Make use of a fork to lightly switch on them. Thank you for watching.